sehr gespannt auf das Buch.
Hello dear people and welcome to this video. I hope you are all well and enjoying the early summer. Here in northern Germany it's not quite summer yet. It's actually quite cold some days, but it's okay. In this video I'm doing a lot of painting. I feel very creative lately and I'm really enjoying this feeling because I love creating and I love making art. So I'm showing you a little bit of my painting process and what I did in the start of June. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you did, I would be very happy if you would subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and tell me what you did in the start of June.
Baby!
Irgendwas Schlimmes passiert. Der Kollege. Dankeschön. Okay.
So I finished The Wedding People a couple of days ago and I just wanted to recommend it to you. If you like a humoristic, sarcastic, cynic kind of book, this one is for you. I really loved it. I think it's one of my new favorite books, and there's one particular scene that I have regret already 3 times, and I just finished this book a couple of days ago, as I said, but this scene, I can't stop thinking about it because it's just so funny. I think it's one of the funniest scenes that I have ever read because how the conversation is going, it's so funny. So yeah.
Baby, bleib. Hi! 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 Oh, bist du hübsch. Hallo! Hallo!
Mouse! As I said in the last video, I want to get into plein air painting, and I actually bought a plein air set now, but I haven't tried it yet. But today before work I painted a little landscape study. This is the piece and the sketch, and overall I am quite satisfied with it. but I think the color palette needs some work, and I think the yellow is here a little bit too bright, but overall I'm happy with it and I wanted to show you. It took 30 minutes and now I need to go to work. So have a nice day and see you later.
Na Maus, suchst du dir einen aus? Was willst du haben? Hä? Du bist so quatschig. Komm her.
Aber die sind jedes Jahr da.
Die sind ja so süß.
An der Mauer auch. Ne?
Ja. Alma! Schmeckt das so gut?
And this is how my apple cake turned out. It looks quite boring, but it was actually surprisingly delicious. So yeah, this plate here is for my parents because I wanted to give them some cake. Yeah, it's my love language. So as I already said, I'm feeling very creative lately and I enjoy this feeling very much. So actually this morning I did this painting study here, an oil painting study of an eye and a portrait, and I'm more satisfied with the eye study. I'm really happy how it turned out. This study here I did a couple of days ago. It's actually, the reference is a picture of my mom and me, and it means a lot to me. So yeah. Another oil painting study. I'm not quite satisfied with the color palette on this one, but you learn as you go, so I'm still happy I did this because I will learn from it. Yeah. It's really hard for me to describe what making art makes me feel like, especially as English is clearly not my first language, but I try to explain to you how it feels to be creative, and for me it fulfills my soul so much. So if I sit down and make art, or if I just take a walk in the nature, I feel so inspired to create something out of what I'm seeing. I encourage you to try to be more creative and stop being so much on your phone, because it's really not good for your soul and for your heart and for your mind. It drains you. So sit down and make some art, and I promise you it will do something to you. You will feel alive if you start making art, or just make something with your hands. You don't need to paint. Pick up some needles and start sewing, or pick up some crochet hooks and start crocheting. Just do something with your life and don't waste it away. That's my final take for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really hope we will see each other next time. So have a great early summer and bye.